Nós é só do fim de semana. Nada vai me parar. Nada vai me parar. Nada vai me parar.
These types of images are currently trending on the internet. You can also create such images with your own photos. If you want to create something like this, watch this video till the end. You can easily create such images with ChatGPT in a few clicks. No special image editing software is required. First, take a picture of the person you want to create this image with. Then attach that picture to the ChatGPT by clicking the plus icon. Then copy this prompt from the description and paste it here. Then send it. Now you have to wait a couple of minutes here. Then your image will be created in ChatGPT. From there you can download it easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.